Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which entrance test is conducted for the selection of candidates under Pm-Yasasvi? JEE Main, YET, NEET or CUET? The correct answer is option B, YET. The Yasasvi entrance test, that is YET, is conducted by the National Testing Agency under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment for selecting candidates under the Pm-Yasasvi scheme. Next question, what percentage of countries have cut investment in education, health and social protection according to the Oxfam Report? 64%, 81%, 84% or 90%? The correct answer is option C, 84%. The report states that 84% of countries have cut investment in education, health and social protection, contributing to worsening inequality. Next question, according to the UNEP Emissions Gap Report 2024, what is the projected global temperature rise by the end of this century based on current nationally determined contributions or NDCs? 2.6 to 2.8 degrees Celsius, 1.5 degrees Celsius, 3.1 degrees Celsius or 2.0 degrees Celsius? The correct answer is option A, 2.6 to 2.8 degrees Celsius. The report states that with the current NDCs, the world is on track for a global temperature rise of 2.6 to 2.8 degrees Celsius by the end of the century, which is far above the Paris Agreement targets. Next question, which organizations will jointly manage the Rs 1,000 crore venture capital fund for India's space sector? RBI and NABARD, SBI and SIDBI, SEBI and RBI or ISRO and SBI? The correct answer is option B, SBI and SIDBI. The venture capital fund will be jointly managed by the Small Industries Development Bank of India or SIDBI and the State Bank of India, ensuring professional management and oversight. Next question, how much funding has been allocated under the government's Mission Mausam? Rupees 1,000 crore, Rupees 1,500 crore, Rupees 2,500 crore or Rupees 2,000 crore? The correct answer is option D, Rupees 2,000 crore. The government has allocated Rupees 2,000 crore under the Mission Mausam initiative. Next question, where is the 17th Urban Mobility India Conference and Exhibition being held? New Delhi, Gandhinagar, Mumbai or Bengaluru? The correct answer is option B, Gandhinagar. The 17th Urban Mobility India Conference and Exhibition is being held at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Next question, when was the Intergovernmental Consultations format between India and Germany launched? 2011, 2005, 2015 or 2020? The correct answer is option A, 2011. The IGC format between India and Germany was launched in 2011, allowing for comprehensive reviews and new areas of cooperation at the cabinet level. Next question, who will be the 51st Chief Justice of India or CJI? Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice Arjun Ram Meghwal or Justice N.V. Ramanna? The correct answer is option B, Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Justice Sanjeev Khanna has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India and will take over on 11th November 2024. Next question, which species has been photographed for the first time in Manas National Park? Bengal tiger, clouded leopard, Asiatic golden cat or Indian leopard? The correct answer is option C, Asiatic golden cat. The Asiatic golden cat was photographed for the first time in Manas National Park by a team of conservationists and forest department officials. Next question, which two states were identified as the most affected by groundwater depletion according to recent study? Uttar Pradesh and Kerala, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, Punjab and Haryana or Maharashtra and Gujarat? The correct answer is option C, Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana were identified as the most affected areas, showing the highest decline in groundwater levels primarily due to urbanization, industrialization, and irrigation. Now is the time for practice question. What key initiatives will be launched during the Chanakya Defense Dialogue by the Defense Minister? ISRO Green Initiative 2.0, Green Initiative 1.0 and Digitization of IEA 1.0, Digital India 3.0 or Indian Defense Innovation Program? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.